Hey everybody, it's hobby time, and I actually made some progress, and here it is. You saw this in the watercolor washes video, but it's finally all done. That's my Wazbom Blastajet from Evil Sunz. Yeah, pretty happy. There was a lot of procrastination with this. It took me many months to get around to actually painting it, but Project Evil Sunz has definitely motivated me to get it done, and here it is. So you can see I did do the black and white spiral on the nose. Or might be able to see if I had some framing ability. I didn't use pure white on it, and it's not perfect, of course, but it's pretty darn good, actually. Pretty happy with that. The bottom was just washed with the new oil. Very streaky pattern from the back. As I said, I couldn't get the watercolor washes to stick. This is still not glued on, so I can take it off if I need to. But again, this is mounted up here because the underslung smash-a-gun on the stock model is a dumb design. So these are the custom Mega Cannons. Of course, they are magnetized. I can put on the teleporter blasters if I want to. And the base is done, but it's not on the base because it's hard to get it into the frame of the camera that way. So yeah, this was a pretty fun model to paint. Once the wash that was on there, there wasn't much else to do. Just highlight up the yellow and some more details, and yeah, it was pretty much done. So yeah, I'm very happy with how long this took, how much work was in it. I did get some chipping on it here and there, a little bit, not too much though. I love these Evil Sunz decals that come on the Burna, on the bomber or flyer box kit. I wish I could get those somewhere else in that size. Yeah, so there it is. Very quick video this week. So what else did I do? I did have a Primaris Lieutenant in my Dark Angels, so I rebased that for my event this weekend. Just wanted to make sure it was on the right size base, because Primaris Lieutenants are actually on 40mm, not 32mm, so I had to redo that. Also gave them a little more basing, because it was just basically dry brush sand on the old one, so gave him a little more detail on his base. I still have the SD KFZ 251 truck to paint. I'm going to take a little break from orks and work on some hell blasters next. Not like these Evil Sunz things take a whole lot of time to paint. I just want to take a little break from them, because I've been painting a lot of orks lately. Surprising, because it just keep adding more and more. Yeah, that is the Wazbom Blastajet. So now I have 6 flyers. I can actually field 2 air detachments. One of just 3 DACA jets and one of the other 3 kind. So, yeah. The watercolor washes just absolutely came out. Using the watercolor as a wash and modulating it turned out perfect. I just love how this thing looks. Nice and gritty, but controlled. Yeah, so as I said, what's next? I'm working on some hell blasters for a little bit, then I'll get back to the other truck, because I want to get that finished up here before too long, especially before the Codex hits in October. That's really all I got to say. So that's it. That's the Wazbom Blastajet. And I would get out my 6 flyers, but there's no way to take a picture of all 6 of them together in the space I have, because they take up a lot of space. So, thanks for watching.